Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Ambrane BassBand Lite Bluetooth earphones. On the front of the package, we can see some Ambrane branding on the top, a picture of the product in use, the Bass Band Lite tag on the bottom, and a slogan saying "Music on the Move" on the bottom right. On the left hand side of the package, we can see some pictures of the earphones and a tag saying "Comfortable Fit." On the right hand side, there's some Ambrane branding. On the back of the package, we can see some salient features, so let's go through them one by one. Bluetooth 5.0, comfortable and secure fit, a battery capacity of 120 milliamps an hour, a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz, a playtime of 6 hours, a standby time of 180 hours, a charging time of up to 1.5 hours, and driver sizes of 10 mm. We can also see a picture of the product on the back. And at the bottom here, we can see that the product is BIS certified. On the bottom of the package are the social media handles of the Ambrane India brand. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. We get 2 extra ear tips of differing sizes so that you get the perfect fit. We get a USB cord with USB-A on one end and micro USB on the other. The cord itself is around 8 inches long. Getting to the earphones themselves, we can see that it is the neckband type of earphone and it has a rubberized finish. It is also pretty flexible, as you can see. There's a rubber finish all around the neckband and there's metallic finish around the ends. There's some Ambrane branding on the right hand side of the band, and you can find the power button, the volume control, and a hatch for the charging on the left hand side. We can also see the LED light right up here. The earphones are magnetic, so they can be securely fit around your neck while not in use, and they are also of the hook type, so they are secure around your ears when they are in use. This has been the unboxing of the Ambrane BassBand Lite Bluetooth earphones. Thank you for watching.